Welcome to Petro Tekno. We are an established Indonesian oil and gas training provider located in the picturesque Chiloto region of West Java. Our services include apprentice training, HSC and technical training, competency management systems, including assessment and coaching, and finally, training center design, build, and operation. We operate an integrated technical training complex that combines residential accommodation, classrooms, and workshops onto a single site. Our facility includes gated security access and 24-hour CCTV surveillance. Petro Tekno is the first and only OPITO accredited rigger and banksman slinger training provider in Indonesia. We provide training to a range of clients, including operator and contractor organizations, rigging area, electrical, and instrument workshop. Our hazardous area training facility accommodates 10 delegates per course, and it's used to deliver compact certification recognized by the UK hydrocarbon industry. The compacts course covers the installation, inspection, and maintenance of electrical equipment in hazardous areas. Our indoor working isolation training plant is used for a number of different training purposes, from hazard analysis and risk assessment through to isolations and permit to work. This enables apprentices to perform real tasks expected of them in the workplace, but in a realistic and safe working environment away from the classroom. The isolation plant is also used to teach basic process operations prior to more advanced operations training on our three-phase separator and Demen water plants. Our electrical workshop includes an area for motor control to enable apprentice technicians to develop key theoretical and practical skills, including the building and testing of various types of motor starter circuits, panel building, fault finding, and maintenance of motors. A further area is used for electrical installation practices. All of our workshops have been designed to include a range of equipment to meet international competency standards for off-the-job training. Having developed and understood the theory in the classroom, apprentices then transfer to our process plants and workshops to put their theory into practice, spending over 70% of their time doing the practical work. Apprentices perform operational and maintenance activities using their company procedures and documentation whenever possible to make the training as realistic as possible. They follow systematic methods of working, including but not limited to work planning, hazard analysis, and risk assessment. Apprentice production operators are trained how to start up, operate, and shut down the three-phase separator plant. The separator is also used for a variety of other training scenarios, including fault finding, maintenance, instrument loop checking, and emergency scenarios. The demineralized water treatment plant allows us to introduce a different plant process with additional process hazards to further enhance the training of production and maintenance technicians. The plant can be coupled to the three-phase separator to provide a more complex training scenario. The plant control room is remotely situated so that radio communications have to be used. This places greater emphasis on developing oral communication skills within a work setting. This adds further realism to our training scenarios and helps raise self-confidence. While working on the process plants, all apprentices have to take turns as field operators and control room operators during their training. This enables them to appreciate the different roles on a process plant prior to ever working on one. Petro Tekno's Emergency Response Training Suite provides realistic simulation of various process plant systems, from basic simulations such as pumps and valves, control systems, through more complex plant processes such as amine, fractionation, and separation systems through to a fully modeled LNG system. The Director Suite is adjacent to the main control room, and it is where the trainers inject both pre-programmed and dynamic faults into the system as well as performing role play for various plant duties. Technical English teaching is an integral part of our apprentice programs, and we use a variety of teaching methods that are both fun and engaging for the learner. Petro Tekno takes the accommodation and welfare of its delegates very seriously, so we provide a safe and secure environment to ensure all delegates are completely focused on their training experience without fear of distraction. We have a mixture of hotel and villa-style accommodation with a capacity of up to 300 people. All delegates on our site have access to both medical and confidential 24-hour welfare support, where they are free to talk about personal matters with one of our welfare officers in private and comfortable surroundings. And our on-site restaurant provides catering for up to 300 people, serving a selection of local and international dishes. Petro Tekno is committed to delivering high-quality, practical, hands-on skills training to international standards using real industrial process equipment and safe working practices. Our facilities are used for both apprentice and upskilling training purposes, but are also used for diagnostic assessment of individuals, for example, during the recruitment and selection process or prior to plant shutdowns and contractor engagement. Located in the beautiful mountain surroundings of the popular Puncak area, Petro Tekno offers an unrivaled picturesque location, making it an ideal residential training venue. For further information on our products and services, and to register your interest, please see our website at www.petrotekno.co.id.